Hello there. So you want to know how you can fix black screen when launching Battle.net or just Blizzard launcher not opening at all? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So let's just get the basics right away from us first. Simply go to settings, go to installed applications, and then search for your Battle.net right over here, and then uninstall it and then reinstall it from the internet. Once you've done that, if it still doesn't work, simply right click and open file location on the Battle.net shortcut and then do it one more time. So you're going to be in the launcher. Simply go ahead and click on properties, go to security, make sure that you have allowed full control on every single thing. So all application packages, all restricted application packages, systems, administrators, users, and interactives. Once you've done all of that, all you need to do is make sure to go ahead and check your internet is all okay as well. Go to Ethernet settings and then go to DNS server assignment. Click on edit and make sure that your DNS is from automatic to manual. Turn on IPv4. Preferred DNS should be 8.8.8.8 and alternate DNS should be 8.8.4.4. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.